Good morning, students. For 7th standard, today we are going to see the grammar part that was under your 7th standard. So, the grammar portion is articles. So, you have to know the simple articles and what are the examples under the topic articles. So, articles, as we know, it consists of one letter and two words, that is a and the. Okay, a and the. So these three, okay, either the letter or the words are called as the articles. So whenever we use the letter a or the words an and the before a noun or before an object, then we called this particular words as your articles. Now we will see a few examples where all these three articles are used and in also in what conditions these three articles are used. So first we will see how to use the article a. Okay, so see the conditions. So the first one is it is used before a word which is beginning with a consonant sound. So the words which are beginning with the consonant sound, which means other than the vowel words. So we all know what is the vowel words. It is a, e, I, o, u. Other than these particular letters, we call other letters as your consonant letters. So, other than A, E, I, O, U, okay, if the word is started with a different letter, then we use the article a. So, for example, a boy, a girl, a table. Because here in the girl we have G, in the boy we have V, and in the table we have T, which starts with the letter which is other than your vowel letter. And see the second condition. So it is, that is, the article a is used before the word one. Okay, one, O-N-E, one, that begins with consonant sound of a particular sentence. So like example, like a one-eyed man, a one-eyed window house. Okay, so whenever you use the word one, at that time we have to use the article a. And see the third condition. So in the third condition we have to use the article a when the particular word, okay, when it sounds with u sound, you sound. So for example, useful animal, so it sounds u, so before that you have to use the article a. Or else European, a European. Or else university, a university. So in all these types of sentence we have to use the article a. Okay, so next, now we will see where to use the article an. So see the first condition. It is used before words beginning with vowel. So whenever the word it starts with the vowel letter, that is a, e, I, o, u, at that time you have to use the article an. For example, an aeroplane, an elephant, an ink pot, an orange, an umbrella. See the second condition. It is used before the words beginning with H when it is silent. So now whenever you say honest man, so H becomes very silent and only it sounds O, honest man. So at that time you have to use the vowel letter, sorry, the article an. And an R whenever whenever the letter begins with H but its sound is very silent, the H sound is not heard that much, so we tell it as one, an R only. okay, with an O sound. So at that time we will use the article an. And like we see the third condition, it is used before words beginning with consonants having vowel sound. So the words with the letter, with the consonant letter, and also the sound is having like a vowel. So vowel sound is A, E, I, O, U. So an MP, okay, an MLE, an FIR, an MSc, an X-ray. So in these particular words, we understand that it is beginning with the consonant, but it is having the vowel sound. So at that time, we have to use the article an. Now let's see how to use the article the. So the first condition is, so the can be used before a particular person or thing. That is the students. This is the boy. Okay. So if we refer to a particular person or a particular thing, we have to use the. See the second condition. It is used to denote a whole class or kind. So together, if we want to denote some animal or or a particular group of people, then we have to use the article the. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. The tiger is young. So there are many tigers, but we tell whenever we use the sentence, we tell only once the tiger. So for that we have to use the article the. See the third condition. It is used before common nouns which are names of things unique of then kind. So it is used before the common nouns. So for example, you see the example. The earth moves round the sun. The world is beautiful. Okay. So these are the general common noun that has been described. So for that we have to use the article the. See the fourth condition. It is used before the names of directions, the dates of months. So, for example, if it refers to the direction, so we all know north direction, south direction, east direction. So these are the direction. So the sun rises in the east. So whenever it refers to the direction, we have to use the article the. And also when it refers to dates or months, for example 10th November, so I joined my job on the 10th November, 10th of November. So see the fifth condition. It is used before the superlative degrees of an adjective. Superlative degree means, so whenever you tell like best, or whenever you use est word at the end of your adjective, then we call that particular sentence as a superlative degree. For example, Raman is the best boy in the class. Okay. Likewise, Uttar Pradesh is the most populated state of India. So most populated. So whenever you use the word most, so that we call it as superlative. So for those kind of sentence, we use the article the. See the next condition. It is used before the names of directions. So already I told you, before the directions we are using. And then it is used before the names of oceans, rivers, gulfs, seas, mountain range, and group of islands. So for example, the Indian Ocean is a very big ocean in the world. Okay, so in this particular sentence, so when you refer to the ocean, the Indian Ocean, so before that you have to add the article the. Then only it will make a complete sense. See the next condition. It is used before the names of races or nations. Okay, before the nation or before the race, we have to use the article the. The Indians are found in almost all the countries. Holi is the festival of the Hindus. Okay, so whenever you refer to the races or the nations, we have to use the article the. Then see the next condition. It is used before the names of newspaper, religious books, famous buildings, ships, historical events, etc. So see here, the I read the Times of India daily. So this is the newspaper. So before this, you have to use the article the. The Taj is famous for its beauty. So the Taj Mahal is famous for its beauty. So Taj Mahal is a monument and it is one of the wonders. So we represent it along with the article the. Okay, see the next condition. So it is used before proper noun. So material noun and abstract nouns to make them common nouns. So for example, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. He is the Tagore of Hindi poetry. The water of this well is fresh. So when you tell the proper noun, we have to use the article the. Then see, it is used before the musical instruments. So Rahman plays the harmonium. Then Richa plays the violin. So whenever you refer to the musical instruments, we have to use the article the. It is used before the inventions. So inventions means the telephone is very useful. Who invented the radio? Okay, so whenever you tell about the inventions, we have to use the article the. Then you see the next condition. It is used before the parts of the body. He got injury in the head. So whenever you refer to the parts of the body, we have to use the article the. The rod hit him in the back. So back is the part of the body, and before the parts of the body, you have to include the article the. And see the next condition. It is used before the political parties. So political parties, so whenever you tell the Congress party, the Communist party, so before that you have to include the article the. Okay, now till here we saw how all the three articles, that is a, and the, should be found in a sentence, and where and all we should use this a, and the. And now let's see in which all places we should not use this particular articles, that is omission of the article the. So where in which all places you will omit the article the has been denoted here. So the first one is proper noun. Okay. So the first one is proper noun. So proper noun means Kolkata, India, Ruchika, Mount Everest, Sunday, January. Like this, whenever you refer the proper nouns, so in that particular, before the proper noun, we should not use the article the. That is one important condition. And condition number two. So whenever you refer to the arts and science, that is my favorite subject is science. I like painting. So whenever you refer to these type of sentence, we must not use the in the sentence. Okay. Then see the third condition. Names of materials. So whenever you tell the names of the materials, we should not use the article the. Her sari is made of cotton. So okay, here we are not using the. Gold is costly. So here we do not use the article the. And see the fourth condition. So whenever we use the abstract nouns, so the abstract nouns are usually used in the general sense. So the general proverbs will follow the abstract nouns. So at that time we should not use the article the. So honesty is the best policy. Health is better than wealth. So in these examples we do not use the article the. Okay, so hope you all understood what are the articles. So we know articles are a, an, and the, and we all know in what type of conditions and in what type of sentence this particular articles will appear, and also we have to know in which all places the articles the will be omitted. So that conditions also we have to know. Okay, thank you, students. Hope you all understood well. Have a nice day.